Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. So I'm back with a new video guys. Today I have an awesome light to show you all. It's a smart RGB LED light from Syska, and the cool thing is this light can be controlled with Amazon Alexa. Syska has launched a smart light with Alexa support recently, so basically what you can do is, no matter where this light is at your home, you can fully control it with your voice using Alexa. That sounds pretty cool, right? I'll show you how it works in this video. The Syska Smart Light is an RGB light that can produce 3 million shades, plus it's got a lot of smart features like you can set a schedule when the light should turn on automatically, you can also control it individually or even in groups in case you have lots of these lights. Plus you can control all these smart lights wirelessly with the help of an app on your phone. So these were some of its features. The app you need to install on your phone is called the Syska Smart Home. It's available on both Play Store and App Store. Now let's check out the specs of this LED light. It's a 7-watt smart RGB light. Runs on AC 220 volts at 50 Hz, can produce 3 million different shades and tones by mixing 3 primary colors, and produces a max output of 480 lumens. The Syska Smart RGB light costs about 1799 rupees. So these were its specs. Now let's get started with the unboxing. On opening the box, you've got some paperwork at the top. It's a user manual. Make sure to read it for all the info on the product. Let's keep it aside and check out the light. So here it is, the Syska Smart RGB LED light. The design looks quite nice. You've got the Syska LED branding here. The build quality looks good. It's got a B22 type connector. And that's it, nothing much written on it. Now what I'll do is I'll just fix it on a bulb holder, power it on and show you how it works. Alright guys, I'm back. I've connected the bulb to a holder. I'll just give you a demo on how this light works on my desk and also show you all of its wireless features. I've already paired the smart bulb with the app on my phone. You just need to turn it off and on 3 times until it flashes. Then follow the on-screen commands on your phone. And that's it, your light will be ready to use in no time. Now let me show you the app that you need to install on your phone. It's called the Syska Smart Home, available on both Play Store and App Store. So this is how the app looks like. Once you've paired the light, you'll get a shortcut to that on the home screen. From here you can fully control the light. If you want to add more lights to the app, you can do that from here. Just click on it and select the type of device you want to add. The process is very simple guys, just follow the on-screen instructions. Now let me show you how to control it and the different wireless features. But before that, let me just turn off all the lights in my room so you'll get a better look at the light. Alright, now we are ready to test the light. To power on the light, you just need to tap on the center button. And there you go, our light has turned on. At the bottom, you have 4 different functions. You've got white light, color control, scene mode and schedule. Let me show them to you one by one. In the white light mode, you can use the smart bulb as a simple white light. The only thing you can do in this mode is adjust the brightness. It's a 7-watt light and can produce a max output of 480 lumens. The app control works great, it's quite responsive, no lag, and I've faced no issues so far. Now let's check out the color control. Here you can change the color of the light with the help of this color wheel. And not only that, you can also adjust the intensity of the color and also vary the brightness. Let me show you. It's right now in blue color, and this is how the brightness and the color intensity can be varied. Now let's change the color of the light. You've got 3 million different shades of colors to play from, and the light looks awesome in RGB colors. Just check out this clip. There's also a special scene mode in the app where you can select between predefined scenes and the lighting effects change based on that. You've got lots of modes like night mode, party, soft, rainbow, shine and gorgeous. Let me show you a few. This is rainbow. And this is called gorgeous. Everything was nice, the lighting effects were good, but this app lacked customizations. Like except the color, you can't change anything else. There is no option to control the speed or the brightness of the effect. The company should have actually provided that option. There's also a schedule option where you can set a particular time when the light should switch on or switch off. So these were all of its app features. It's a good and simple app, but needs a little more customization options. Also guys, if you have an Amazon Echo or Echo Dot at your home, you can use Alexa to control this Syska Smart Light. I'll just give you a demo and show you how it works. Alexa, turn off Syska Smart Light.
Okay.
There you go guys, that is how it works. Let's also try some other commands. Alexa, set the smart light to red.
Okay.
Alexa, decrease the brightness of the smart light.
Okay.
Alexa, set the smart light to purple.
Okay.
Alexa, set the brightness of the smart light to 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the smart light.
Okay.
That was awesome, right? It's one of my favorite features on this light. So that was my review on the new Syska Smart RGB LED light. It's an awesome light, the build quality is nice, the features are great, and also it works with Alexa. But there are a few things I'd like to tell. The light is only 7 watts for the price. It's not that bright. They should have at least given 9 to 10 watts. That would have been awesome. Also, as I've told you previously, the app needs a little more customization options. Other than that, everything else was fine. This smart RGB light costs about $17.99. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.